Today, we're going to cover how your sales and marketing organizations can send gifts to customers or prospects directly through their CRM system of choice. Whether they're beginning their relationship as a prospect or a longtime loyal customer, showing a little appreciation goes a long way. Sending gifts to your customers and prospects shows them how much you care and can increase the likelihood of booking a meeting, closing a deal, and building long-lasting customer loyalty. With the help of our integration partner, Zapier, you can give your sales or customer success teams the ability to send gifts straight from your CRM to harness the full potential of these activities and more. Let's see how this works in real time from the perspective of Clarissa, the sales director at Globex. Clarissa finally closed a huge deal she was nurturing for 6 months and wants to recognize her internal champion, Jake, on helping bring all the correct stakeholders together to make the relationship official. To do this, she finds Jake's contact page on the Globex CRM and clicks the Send Gift checkbox. When she does this, the Zapier connection automatically sends a Snappy gift to Jake's inbox. The gift immediately recognizes Jake's efforts, helps solidify the relationship, and gives Clarissa a fun talking point to kick off their next call. Clarissa found this initiative to be so valuable that she decided to update their Zapier workflow to automatically send gifts to each customer after their deal closes. This is only one of many ways you can use the Snappy Zapier integration to send gifts through your CRM to delight your customers and prospects. Contact us to learn how you can make this a reality at your organization. Happy gifting!